Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, the North Star Light Tarot 1412. So if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do hit the subscribe button. And yes, again, I have a reading for you today. This reading is going to be about how will your next relationship be like, okay? How is it going to be like? As you can see, this is going to be a quick and a short reading because I have only two piles over here. The first is for the ones who chose this red fish, alright, cute little fish, and the second is for the ones who choose this blue fish, okay, very cute miniatures that I've got, okay. So yeah, first we're going to start with the first prize, that is the red fish, alright. Let's see what your tarot has to say. So your first card is that of the Two of Wands. Second card is that of the King of Pentacles. Third card is that of the Page of Pentacles. The fourth card is the Nine of Cups. And your fifth card is that of the Judgment, okay? So the person that you'd be in a relationship is going to be that of a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and or the water sign, that is Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, okay? So starting with the Two of Wands, you want to move ahead in your life, okay? You see this person being confused, okay? They are confused about the options that they have ahead of them, okay? You could be having many options. You want to move forward in your life, but you're not sure how you're going to. However, you have this will and this strength within you to make those plans work. So this is you want to be in a relationship, you want to have a new romance in your life, all right, and you're not sure how you're going to move ahead about it, but you are working on yourself, you are trying out some new things to do, all right, to change your mindset, to get into that mode, okay? You're making decisions, you're planning out things, all right, and you want to step into this new relationship, okay? So this is the person that you probably meet. So this person could be that of the King of Pentacles, okay, if you're watching it for a man. If you're watching it for a woman, this is how she would be like. She'd be this King of Pentacles. Again, right off the bat, this person is going to be older than you, okay, matured, understanding. They are at a position in their life where they are stable, financially stable, emotionally stable, okay. And you see how this person is sitting proudly on his throne with this coin, all right, attached to their throne, okay. So this is how they're going to be like, very wise, stable, understanding, mature, at a very authoritative position in their life, okay. They are going to bring a lot of stability, luck, and generosity to you, okay. This is how your person would be like. The next card, okay, so you might meet them at a workplace, because or at a place that you travel to for your higher education, because we have this Page of Pentacles. This could be you, okay. You are going to be younger than them, all right, and you are just starting out in your life, okay. And you, again, like I said, you could meet them at your workplace. So this person could be your boss, your mentor, okay, your manager, could be anything. But they are going to be at a higher position than you, okay, established and stable. And you are this person, you're just starting out in your life, you've just set out, okay. Or it could be that you're moving on to some place for higher education, okay, and this is where you'd meet them, okay. They're going to help you, they're going to guide you, all right, and you could get in a relationship with them, because the next card we have is the Nine of Cups. And because this reading is about the person you are going to be in a relationship with next, so this is who that person would be. That is the King of Pentacles. And this Nine of Cups, again, this card tells me that you're going to have a very fulfilling relationship with them, very satisfied relationship. And once you get into a relationship with them, they are going to be very sweet and understanding towards you, okay, because of their maturity, because of the maturity that they have. Okay, your bond will only get deeper, stronger, and more sweet. Okay, they are going to provide you everything that you wish for. Okay, you could, if you've just started dating, you could quickly get into a relationship with them, and from the relationship you could also decide to get married to them. Okay, this is how fast your relationship with them would progress. Okay, the next card that we have is the Judgment. Okay, so as your relationship grows, there would come a time in your life where you'd want to assess, analyze, and evaluate yourself and your partner. Okay, you will need to or you will want to have the communication where you all would want to discuss about the next priorities in your life. All right, and you would want to understand the real potential of your relationship, if it is going to provide you the stability, the assurance that it has until now. Okay, you're going to look out for the future. All right, you're going to discuss the future with them. Okay, so the scope of your relationship is going to be in your hands. All right, this is what the Judgment card tells. Okay, so you are going to decide how and what is going to be the future of your relationship. All right, let's see a few messages that they have for you. Okay, or that they would want to tell you. All right, I'm shuffling these cards. Okay, it just started raining outside. Wow. Okay, so your first card is You're My Wish Come True. So you're going to be their wish come true. Second is Ask for Anything, My Love. Okay, so they are going to give you this freedom to ask anything that you want. Okay, you are always in my prayers. Oh wow, nice, very nice. I'll always be there for you. And can you wait for me? Okay, wow, these messages are just so awesome and so nice. Okay, so this was your reading, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and please do subscribe to my channel for more such readings, and I hope you've enjoyed this. And thank you again for watching. Bye bye, take care. So for those who chose this tiny little blue fish, okay, that is the second pile. These are your cards. The Ten of Wands, Two of Cups, Four of Cups, Ace of Cups, and the Hierophant, a major arcana card. Alright, so as I can see from here, Cups energy is more, so your person could be that of the water sign Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, and they could also be that of a fire sign, that is Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So starting with the Ten of the Wands, you are this person. Okay, you are quite overburdened with the situations around you or with the responsibilities that you have. All right, or could be that of a past relationship. You've been in a very burdening relationship in the past and you just want to move ahead, or you just want to move forward from it, or it could be that you have moved forward from it but you're still carrying the burdens. Okay, the burdens of the emotions. All right, the next person, whenever you decide to get into a relationship, okay, so the next person that you'd be in a relationship is going to be like that of this Two of Cups. Okay, so these people or this person, okay, he or she is going to be very generous, very loving and kind, emotional. They would want to provide you with emotional stability, happiness, and growth in your life. 2 represents partnerships, strong bondings. So you are going to get together, which is very obvious. You are going to grow together. They're going to provide you more than you would ever provide them. Okay, they understand that you've been in a very burdening relationship in the past, and they're going to make this relationship work. They're going to provide you the confidence and the trust that you are right now with the right person in your life. Okay, they're going to be like that. All right. Four of Cups is your next card. Okay, so like I said, in the past you all may have been in a very burdening relationship, so this is how you would probably meet them. Okay, it's like when you're going to be in this confused state of mind, okay, in this very lazy phase of your life. Okay, you've been very tired from the past, and you just want a break, and you just want some time off, and you are not sure about what or how the next person is going to be like, or will you ever be in a relationship again. Okay, so this is how you would probably meet them. Okay, when you're in this confused state of your mind. All right. The Ace of Cups. Okay, so Ace of Cups again represents new beginning in love affairs, and this person, as you can see, this hand is offering a cup full of love. Okay, so this is how your relationship would be like. Like I said before, when the Two of Cups cards was out, I said that this person is going to be very generous, and they are going to want to offer you everything, and they understand where you come from. Okay, so they're going to be very supportive of you. So this is how your relationship would be like. Okay, very natural, very true, very supporting partnership. Okay, and they're always going to be there for you. They will always find new ways to love and appreciate you, to be there for you. They're going to bring this peace and harmony in your life. You see how these uh, blooming is there around this hand. Okay, you have these leaves, then you have these grapes, then the flower. Okay, so they're going to bring everything for you. If you like flowers, they're going to bring you flowers. If you like fruits, they're going to offer you fruits. Okay, very fulfilling, satisfying, and loving relationship. So the overall dynamic is going to be very trustworthy, supportive, kind, nurturing, and caring. All right. The next card we have is the Hierophant card. What a positive card! What a beautiful card to end your reading. I mean, just look at it. The Hierophant represents marriage. Okay, so this person, you could probably get married to them. Very successful relationship. The outcome is going to be that of a very committed marriage. All right. They are going to be very traditional in their approach as well. So you'd have a very traditional and a religious marriage. And this person, they are going to play the role of a very fulfilling husband or a wife. Okay, they'd want to provide you everything. And you see this infinity sign, so this is going to be forever. This relationship is going to be forever. You will both understand each other, and as time passes, you will get out from your past. Okay, you will get out from your past. This person will pull you out from your past. All right, they are going to provide you this stability, this protective umbrella to flourish and to grow. They are going to rebuild the confidence in you. You are going to regain trust in love and relationships because of them. Okay, very wonderful card. Let's see what messages they have for you. Okay, you're so gorgeous. I just placed it directly down. You're so gorgeous. You have my heart smiles because of you. Let's go on a trip. They'd probably take you on a lot of trips. Alright. Again, I will always take care of you. I hope you can see this. And you are the one for me. Wow. Such beautiful messages you all had. Wow. So Thank you so much for watching. This was your reading, guys. I hope you've liked it. If you've liked it, please don't forget to press the like button. Please do comment and let me know if you've liked this reading. And yes, please do subscribe to my channel and do keep watching and supporting me. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.